Hey, good afternoon, folks. Welcome to Peepaw's Shop. I got here a Fluke meter. I've always wanted a Fluke meter. I finally bought myself a Fluke meter. Used them for the better part of my life in industrial maintenance, manufacturing, troubleshooting. So anyway, that's neither here nor there. I finally bought me one, and I didn't get the latest and greatest that they got. You know, I got what I could afford, and I recommend you do the same thing. But anyway, I also said, look, got a nice manual, 14 different languages. Maybe more, maybe less, I don't know. So we got our leads, and we got, I'm not sure, it doesn't look like a temperature sensor, but another set of leads. Some of y'all probably already know, but I don't. I check voltage, AC and DC typically. And man, that's sweet. Let's see if the battery's in right. Oh, they got the battery in and it's working. Isn't that sweet? Got your little flip back stand back here. Hold that thing up for you. Listen, if you're looking at a Fluke meter, then you already know everything I can tell you about them. You got a range, you got a hold, you got AC, DC, millivolts. You got your ohm reading, your diode reading, amps, milliamps, and ultra milliamps. What do they call that thing? I forgot what they call that. But anyway, it does have a temperature sensor on here, a temperature setting, so that must be what this is for. And man, I like it. I like a Fluke. They're safe. They got internal protection, and that comes in real handy. I've used the meter one other time. I laid it across the wrong thing, the whole face blew across. That was not a Fluke, that was a different one. And because that one blew up, the company I was working for at that time bought everybody Flukes, and I've been wanting my own Fluke ever since. And now I've got one. This is the Fluke 17B digital multimeter. Not a lot I can tell you about it. Got a place back here to clip your leads. Doesn't come to a pouch. Doesn't come to a bag. It's just this is it. So you're going to have to clip them in there. And the leads got a tip that screws off. A protector rather, not a tip, but you know what I mean. A protector to protect that thing. Most of us, we don't keep those, but that gives you just a little bit. But that's just a small safety feature, keep you from touching that thing something hot. So, not much I can tell you about it. It's a Fluke. Been around a long time. It's a trusted brand. I like it. That's why I got me one. Hey, if you like them, you might want to consider this one right here. Again, this is a 600 volt, what did it say, 600 volt Cat 3 with temperature and frequency. So there it was right there. All I had to do is read my sign. Hey, I think this is going to work out well for me. It works out well for me. It'll work out well for you. In the meantime, y'all have a blessed day.